Hi guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Fabled Illumineer's Trove unboxing. Okay, so this time we're going to try and see what the old Steamboat Woody has got us. Steamboat Mickey, sorry. Okay, so let's get straight into this one here, see what I've got. I do sometimes wonder whether I should just leave them sealed and hopefully in 5-10 years it'll be worth millions for me. That would be the dream, but yeah, I don't see that happening really. Okay, so there we go, another one of those. Let's see what we've got here. So I have Rose Lantern, Mulan, another Mulan, Pegasus, Flounder. Oh, here you are, bless him. And Bruno's Return, Motunui, Lefu, Alice, a Genie, and then Queen of Hearts just there. Okay, that's the first one just there. Second deck. Looking at this now, I might be wrong. Maybe there is just one colour patch on it. I don't know. I haven't looked into that part yet. Okay. First of all, Winnie the Pooh with I'm Stuck. And Pluto. PJ Pete. Megara. Aurora. Fire the Cannons. Jafar. A Secret Agent Daisy Duck. Ali Shang. Honor. Oh, Giant Fairy Tinkerbell. And Last Ditch Effort. There we go. There's a couple of cards there I haven't actually seen before. I don't know if they're new to this set or not because I haven't looked into it 100%, if I'm honest. But yeah, they all look pretty cool. I actually opened up a starter set earlier today. I got the starter set with Powerline and the Max and that in it, and played a couple of games of that. They were quite fun. Did enjoy them a lot. Again, that was at my local Geek Retreat in Kettering. They paid £3 to sit down for a training session with him, and yeah, it was really, really good fun. And they give you a drink as well, chat, and they sometimes let you win. Alright guys, well thanks very much for your time, and I'll see you again for part 4. Cheers, goodbye.